Hi, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to connect back with you to bring you incisive market analysis for this week of November the 9th to the 13th. I'm so delighted to bring this video. Our analysis for last week was quite spot on, just exactly to the pip. In some pairs, we surpassed our targets, and it's a joy to bring these videos to you, and I like bringing out useful content and ensure that my viewers make money out of the market using their strategies. And it was a wow moment for us last week. We had good moves with the pound dollar pair. I was looking for a double bottom, and price gave me just that, and went back in our direction to the upside, and we've been on that move for basically most of the week. If these videos have been beneficial to you, I'd like you to click the like button, and if you're new here, click the subscribe button just underneath the video there, and there's a bell notification just beside it. So click on that bell notification so you'll be notified as soon as I bring out new content. And with that said, also want to state here that what I bring out here in the market is basically my view of what the market is going to do. Forex trading is quite risky, and you have to ensure that you don't trade with your rent money when you go out putting your money out there in the market. And with that said, let's just go straight to the business of the day. On my radar right now, I'm looking at the pound dollar pair. And for this pair, we were looking forward to seeing, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. We're looking at the daily time frame right now. I was looking forward to see a move to the downside, and which we had here. Price moved to the downside, gave us a double bottom here, and rallied all the way to the top. And indeed, it was quite a wow moment for us. We just took advantage of the price action as it kept unfolding on a daily basis. This pair, from what we've seen from the price action, I'm expecting, let me look at the weekly quickly. I'm expecting price to go all the way to the upside. I'm expecting price to go as high as the 1.3270 area. That's a little past the next key level of resistance here at the 1.3255 area. So already we have this bullish engulfing candle for this past week, which has smashed through to key levels, which of course at some point they were support. Now they are resistance levels, and price has gone past those two areas and closed above them. So for this new week, I'm expecting price to retrace into the 1.31 handle, about that, and continue to the upside. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, we found that we've had some bit of range, choppy price action within for basically the whole of Friday. We had that just movement within a 50 pip range thereabout, and we've not quite broken out of it. So what I'm going to do is see that retracement down into this zone and look for reversal candles around here to go to the upside. I'll be bullish on this pair. The next pair I'll be looking at is the Euro Aussie pair. That's a new pair I'm looking at for in my analysis. I really do some usual known pairs, but I want to look at the Euro Aussie pair for this week. And for this week, we've had something that looks like an evening star pattern. And what we have here, we've seen the price got down as low as the 1.6216 area and has been rejected from there. Now let's go to the daily so we get some detail, good detail, what price is going to do. We've had price action on Friday um, give us a bullish engulfing candle, very spot on at a very good level. So what we expect price to do is a little retracement into this zone, into the 1.32, sorry, 1.6325 area, and a surge to the upside. I'm looking forward to seeing price get to 1.6440 area, 1.6440 area before we have any movement to the downside. So basically, we've seen that price has put in a 1, 2, 3 move, and we're retracing into this area, and we're looking forward to seeing price go to downside, because already this is a key level here at the 1.6350 area. It's a key level, and once we get that move to this area, to the 1.6440 area, we're looking for seeing a breakout build up. We've already broken and closed below it. Is to see price continue to the downside. The next level of support, when price eventually breaks through this, will be the 1.6170 area. So, but for now, what I can see market do is this retracement back up into the 1.6440 area. First of all, we'll see any valid reversal patterns around here. We'll look forward to continue to the downside. Once we break, except we don't break through this this key level at the 1.6350 area, as long as we break and close below this, the next key level of support will be at the 1.6170 area. The next I'll be looking at is gold, and gold also gave us huge profits, quite spot on. The analysis I gave was looking for price going back to the 1901 handle, and which we got. We got that as soon as the markets opened on Monday. And usually, with my analysis, Monday's price action is the decider. It decides if the analysis will go according to plan or not. Once we get anything contrary to what I put out here in my analysis, I take a different position based on price action as it unfolds. So for this week, we've seen price move as high as the 1960 area, and we've had price put in a doji just at this area. So what am I expecting price to do when it opens on Monday? In fact, for the week, not just for Monday. For Monday, I was expecting a retracement back into the 1929, 1928 area for a continuation to the upside. Yeah, we've had a 1, 2, 3 move, which has closed above this key level here. Well, right above it. So now what we want to see is a retracement back into the zone, 1929 area, just here, and a continuation to the upside. My next key level I'll be looking forward to seeing price get to is the 1973 handle. 1973. That's the next place I want to see price get to. We could do more than that. Depends on yeah, we could get a move that takes us way up into the 1980 area. But we have a key level here at the 1973 area. You got one here. So it depends on how price action moves. We could break and close above that. We could do something in the range of let's say we could do up to about a 300 pip move. From once we get a break and close above this area, we could take us as high as 1980. price area. So, but I'm bullish on this pair. Just want to see a retracement back into the 1929 area and a continuation to the upside. The next I'm looking at is the dollar Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, what am I looking forward to see this week? Wow, like I said, I was looking forward to see price sell, and we sold much more than uh, I anticipated. We really surpassed the target. I was looking at price doing a 50% retracement or a 61.8% retracement, and but we got saw huge um, drop in price. And if you see the candles, they're quite huge, telling us the momentum to the downside is the trend. So we know we're in a downtrend right now. Let me take this off. Yeah, this was used for trading. Now, with what we have here, we've not seen price action putting another 1, 2, 3 move, which has broken and closed below this support at the 1.3125 area. Now, what do I expect the price to do this week? I'll be looking forward to seeing price retrace into the 1.3125 area first of all and get a valid reversal pattern, candlestick pattern around here, and continue to the downside. Next key level of support is at the 1.2985 area. So basically, it's just to move into this zone and we'll go way down to the 1.2985 area. The next I'll be looking at is the dollar yen pair. And for this pair, let's look at the weekly. Let's see if we can make out a top-down analysis for this pair. Our price action for this past week was hugely bearish, and bearish it is closed below the most recent lows we've seen price stall at. We've seen price rejected from this 104 handle and see price gone back into the 105. Sometimes it goes as high as the 106 price area, and we finally close below it. So for Monday or for this new week, we'll be expecting price to retrace into this broken support that will be turned into resistance at the 104 handle. We could go maybe a little bit further into the 104.30 area, depends on how price action operates on Monday. So if we see that we want to see a retracement back into this area, it's a zone 104, 104.30. They're all they stand as a zone. So we want to see key reversal patterns around the zone for us to continue the downside. The next key level of support I'll be looking at price getting to is the 102.25 area, which is around here. 102.25 area, which is around here. Yeah, we also seen RSI gradually dipping into the oversold region, but we're not quite at the extreme levels yet. So I want to see price go into that zone, except once we see RSI printing extreme levels, we will be looking forward to seeing reversals around there. So, but I want to see price get to this place at the 102.25 area after a retracement back into this 104 zone area. That's my take for the dollar yen pair. The next pair I'm looking at is the euro US dollar pair. And for this pair, this is one of the pairs that didn't follow price action analysis exactly, based on what the price action gave us on Monday. What we've had for this past week is a hugely bullish candle. We've had a very bullish week, and you see the the strength of the momentum shown in the candle size. And with this, what happened? Let's look at the daily time frame. You see, on this candle posted something that looks like a hammer and indicating there's going to be a reversal. We saw the RSI also um, gave us a low at that point. So started looking for um, bullish opportunities around here, and which we got. So that price didn't go down the downside again, make this new lows here at the 1.1480. So we saw uh, price action change our analysis, and we had to change our stance also in the market and followed it up all to this uh 1.1890 area. Now, what am I expecting this week to do? Looking at the weekly time frame now, based on this price action, I'll be looking for seeing a slight retracement into the 1.18 area, somewhere in that zone, get valid reversal patterns, and go up to test the breaking this resistance. First of all, there's one at the 1.19 handle, 1900 area, breaking it and going as high as the 1.20 handle, 1.20 handle. So looking forward to smashing through two key levels of resistance to go as high as the 1.20 handle. Let's look at the daily, see if we can make any piece out of this. So what I want to see is that move down into the 1.18, maybe 10 area, yeah, and a resumption to the upside. Basically that. First of all, we have 1.19 to tackle. Once we get a break and close above that, we'll be going as a 1.20 handle. And with that said, that will be that for this week. Like I've always said, have a trading plan, trade your plan, and stay safe. Success is yours. See you in the next video.